It matches perfectly. It is breathtaking. I'm in love with it.
What's up, Glam Squad? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Glam of Your Life with Dalou, a place where we share tips on home decor, fashion, personal development, and of course business advice. If we are going to live a glam life, we need to get our business popping, right? That's right. All right, guys, to those of you who are new, welcome, and please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And if you do like today's video, please let's share it with your friends, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. I am so excited about today's video. Guess what, ladies? I will be showing you my dining room. I know you have been seeing little pieces here and there when I do a table escape, but I've decided to show you guys everything so you can see all the pieces that I have in there and put the puzzle together. I don't have everything yet. I'm still missing some pieces, but I thought I would show it to you guys like that. And once I have everything, I'll do an update. Are you ready? Let's see it. I'm starting in this area here where you could see I have this S looking table. I got this table from Wayfair. The outside of the table, it's a very beautiful shiny silver. In the inside, it's gold. A very beautiful gold. And on top of it, I have this wall of candle holder. Normally I put little tea lights inside of them. I also have that cute little flap that I purchased from Big Lads. I don't remember how much I paid for it. It was very cheap. And here you guys can see the flower that I was playing with a couple of weeks ago on one of my videos with the water pitcher. That's what I have there. And I have that beautiful rose gold plate that I bought from Macy's backstage. And on top is the showstopper. It's the beautiful mirror that I got, of course, from ZGallerie. You should know, guys, I'm in love with this mirror. I've gotten so many compliments on this mirror whenever somebody comes to the house. I do not have a buffer yet, so this is my little area for now. And this is the placemat that I made on one of my videos. Feel free to check it out and see how I made it. I will leave the link below. Here you can see this beautiful golden and brownish rug, and I got it from All Modern. It's very beautiful.
It matches perfectly with the legs of the chair and the golden legs of the table. It is breathtaking. I'm in love with it.
They give so much to the dining room and the table. And you can see the golden rim on the table as well. There you go, that golden rim, and on the chair you have those beautiful golden hook. Very pretty, very shiny. I got the set from a store called Safavieh. If you are in the Long Island area, you can find this store in Farmingdale on Route 110. And you can also find it in Glen Cove and Manhasset. They sell a lot of high-end furniture, a little bit traditional. So if you want to have a little mix of traditional and modern, they like the perfect place to go to.
I bought this gorgeous chandelier from Lowe's. My youngest son removed one of the crystal.
In that corner, I have this beautiful centerpiece that I made on my last video last week using things from the dollar store. It's very beautiful, it's very gorgeous. And you can see those cute little centerpieces with the little reindeer that I made as well. And the table is from my Macy's Backstage. I think I only paid $40 for it.
On each side of the window, I have these two beautiful wall arts that I purchased from Big Lots. They are very simple, but yet again very elegant. They are some of my favorite things in the dining room. These pretty draperies are from Homegoods, and the middle ones are from Macy's Backstage. They go all the way down to the floor. For my curtain rod, it's a brown rod with a little bit of sparkle, of course. Up there, I have that very sentimental wall art that was given to me by my husband. It says, "All because two people fell in love."
This is it for today's, guys. I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Also subscribe so you can get a notification as soon as we upload. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful holidays. Thank you so much for your support, and I love you all.